Hi, it's Charlie from Short Block Charlie's. Today what I'm going to show you is how to repair the compression release hole in a Harley Davidson M8 cylinder head. So first of all, you work from this side. What this is a two-step tap that comes from helicoil. Now we're going to start cutting the helicoil threads. It's like I said, it's stepped. We have a lot of problems with this. I'm just giving you a tip here. Work from the combustion chamber side to run the tap, and it'll get a lot straighter. You can go ahead and stop it now. Okay, so we get the tap run all the way through. I use Bowl Lube tapping paste to lubricate the helicoil tap. Okay, we'll back it back out. Okay, I'll go clean the threads up, and next we'll install the helicoil. Thank you. Okay, we're going to finish up putting the compression releases. I've got this all tapped out, as you saw in the previous video, that we've tapped out the hole. We have to go from this side now to put the helicoil in. So what we'll do is we're going to lube this coil up with some oil. We can't use the installation tool per se, so we have to go like this and go down here, and we start screwing this in like this. To install our helicoil. We want to look and make sure that the coil's flush there, which it looks like it is. Okay, let me see there. It looks good. And over here we have this excess here, so then we'll have to take it back and take a carbide grinder and grind this off, and then, but that's how you install a helicoil on a Harley Davidson M8. Just make sure that you go from this side first and then turn it over the other side to do it. Thank you.